This is WAEC June 2022 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 7b, and the question reads: a trader bought X bags of rice at a cost represented by this equation C equals to 24x plus 130, and sold those bags at a price given by another equation S equals to 33x minus x squared over 20. The two questions asked here, Roman 1 says find the expression for the profit, and Roman 2 says if 20 bags of rice were sold, you are now asked to calculate the percentage profit. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. So we have an expression for the total cost where X represents the number of bags, and we have also expression for the total sales where X represents the number of bags sold. So in attempt to find this expression, that is equation for the profit, remember profit says total sales minus total cost. So this is the expression for the total cost, and this is the expression for the total sales. So substituted in this very formula, it will enable us to find the equation for the profit. So total sales is now 33x minus x squared over 20. Then minus the total cost, which is 24x plus 100. So now simplify this very expression. Expanding the second bracket, that is taking this minus into the bracket, this 24x becomes minus 24x, and this 103 becomes minus 103. So collecting like terms, 33x minus 24x, that will give answer 9x. Then copy minus x squared over 20, then minus 103. This would now be the expression for the profit. So this question Roman 1 has been answered. So we move to question Roman 2. Roman 2, we asked to find the percentage profit if 20 bags were sold. It is required to find exactly what is the profit out of these 20 bags and what is the cost of the 20 bags. So starting with the profit, remember, this is the equation to find the profit. Just replace the x by the number of bags. Here in this case is 20. So the profit on 20 bags is now going to be, in this very equation, replace the x by 20. So you now have 9 multiplied by 20 minus the 20 square over 20. That is this x square over 20. Then minus 130. Simplifying this is 9 times 20 gives you 180. 20 squared divided by 20 gives you 20. And you copied your 103. So subtracting these two numbers from 180, it gives you exactly 57. So 57 is now the profit realized by selling 20 bags. So next is to get the cost of those 20 bags. This is the expression for the cost. That is the equation for the cost. So you now replace the x by 20. That will give you the total cost of 20 bags. So cost of 20 bags is now going to be 24 multiplied by 20 plus 103. 24 multiplied by 20 gives 480, then plus 103. And adding this correctly gives answer 583. This will now be the cost of the 20 bags. So percentage profit by selling this 20 bags is now going to be 57, the profit, divided by the cost of the 20 bags, 583, multiplied by 100%. This is what you are going to have. If this division and the multiplication is done correctly, you now have 9.78%. This is now the percentage profit by selling 20 bags. And this answered all the two questions here. So let me just share with you quickly how this very question is now marked during the market of this WAEC 2022. So the very first mark is method 1 mark, and this method 1 mark, when you now substituted the expression for the total sales and the total cost in attempt to find the expression for the profit, if you do that substitution correctly, you have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the expression for the profit as 9x minus x squared over 20 minus 130, exactly you have this accuracy 1 mark. And when you now have the total cost of the 20 bucks as 583, you have this bonus 1 mark. And when you now substitute the profit and the cost in the formula for finding percentage profit, you have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the answer as 9.78%, that is the percentage profit, exactly you have this accuracy 1 mark. So this 2 question has 5 good marks.